Well, the box that always has the most items inside of it has arrived. This subscription, historically, you guys, it has always gone down as having the most products inside of this box. The record to date is 13 items. And I don't usually keep track of how many items come in a subscription box, but on this one I always do because I'm just blown away that you can get a quarterly lifestyle box with 13 items in it. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a full unboxing today of the new summer 2025 box. This is coming from the Balance Company and this is specifically the lifestyle box. So this subscription, like I said, historically has always been packed. Tons of products in here. The record is 13 items, but I think even in spring, we had 10 or 11 items in that box, you guys. And what I want you to keep in mind is this box is similar to FabFitFun in the sense that it's a quarterly subscription, it's a lifestyle box, and you receive a variety of products. But FabFitFun will charge you $70 a quarter for 6 items, versus the Balance Company is going to send you 10 to 13 items every quarter, and you can get your very first box for only $48, and that includes shipping. It's just always a great deal with this subscription. So if you're interested in this box then today, I will be posting a link down below for you, and then I've also got that 20% off discount code. That code is for new members, so if you purchase right now, this is the exact box that you are going to receive. The summer box will be shipping now for the next couple of months. Now it also ships in Canada, and you can use my discount code as well. The only thing is that I have 2 different links down below. One is for USA residents and then the other one is for Canadian residents. So just click on the right link is the only thing. But you can both use the coupon, you can both get this subscription. And then like I mentioned, it is shipping out right now. So you can get this box right away. If you're a new member, you can get this entire box for only $48. Look at the pattern. Well, we're gonna start with this, you guys, because I need to know what this is. We have a giant tote bag, you guys, and it has an eyeball on it. So first off, it does have 2 handles up here, really bright orange, which I love, so fun for summer. This one does have tags on it as well, and it's coming from a brand called Style Line. So this is the brand here. I don't think I'm familiar with this brand, but maybe I have seen it and I just don't remember. But it is a very large tote bag. And it's deep, it's wide, it really does expand. This is what the print will look like here on the front. And then you get this gorgeous fringe all the way across here. So you can kind of see the little tassels, but then you also get these little pom-poms too. Now this looks like it's all beaded and stitched, but it's actually going to just be a print that's on the fabric itself. So even though these look like beads, they're not actual beads. It just looks like it from afar. Now, like I said, you can expand this open and look at the base, you guys. Like, it gets really big. So there's a lot of room in here, and then inside it will all be lined. We do have a couple of pockets here on the back, so just like for a cell phone if you need to, you can throw that in there. It's not going to be a zippered pocket and it's not very large. So I don't think the point of this is to have a lot of pockets. Honestly, this is great for putting everything in here. So I do think this would be a good shopping bag even. So if you do like to run down to the grocery store, maybe the farmer's market, throw some things in here and then just bring it home, I think this would be great for that. It feels sturdy enough to carry the weight. Because see, I'm always thinking if I go to the farmer's market, they're heavy, like watermelons, and all of the melons are very heavy. Then you get like the glass items if you've got any like preserves or if anybody's canning anything. So you want something that's sturdy and strong. I feel like this would do that. The handles look like they're strong enough to handle the weight, but there's also plenty of room in here. This is a great way to start this box up, and I loved the pop of color red at the front. Well, there's a lot of products in here, you guys. Look at this. See what I mean? She just put so many items in here. So item number 2 in our summer box, this is going to be makeup removing facial buffers. So these buffers are designed for sensitive skin. They're cruelty free and also vegan. We are going to have a full-size pack here, so there are 3 inside of this box. So you're going to see all 3 of them here. These ones are going to have different textures on them to help exfoliate your skin, but then at the same time cleanse and remove any makeup or debris. The third product that we have inside of our box will be a rejuvenating sleeping mask. This is coming from Andalou Naturals. So it is a full-size product. This is a plant-based beauty company. So I've tried a few products from this brand before. They have really gentle skincare items, which is what I really like about the brand. So they're safe for sensitive skin. And I mean, if you have really sensitive skin, this is a brand I would say definitely look into and see if it works for you. But they feature so many plant-based ingredients in here that they're very light, very gentle, and they don't cause irritation. Now, this particular one is going to be an age-defying mask. You're going to put it on overnight and let it work, do everything while you sleep, and it's going to help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So this is what the jar itself will look like. In the morning, you will need to rinse this mask off because you're going to wear it all night. It's not going to dissolve, so you do want to do a quick rinse in the morning. But you can apply this to your face and to your neck. Oh, I love these. This is from Invisibobble. Love this brand. So this is product number 4 in our summer box. We have got 3 of their scrunchie rings. I guess these aren't the scrunchie ones. These are their hair tie rings. So these rings will all be clear. They're made from silicone and they do have a strong grip. I love these. I use them all the time. I've talked about this on the channel. They are the best thing for your hair. If you have any issues with breakage or maybe your hair is shedding quite a bit, I would try these. They work really well for my hair. They also do not leave any rings in my hair when I pull it up into a ponytail. That way I can take the ponytail out after a few hours, let my hair down, and you're not gonna see that wave or that ring inside of your hair. So this is what it looks like. We also have a collagen jelly beauty complex. Oh, it's edible. So this is different. I've never seen this before, and I'm like, what am I reading? This is 10 edible jelly sticks. They are sweet orange flavored, and they're going to feature collagen inside of these sticks. So you're gonna have healthy, radiant skin while reducing fine lines and wrinkles within 4 weeks. Is this enough for 4 weeks? Let me see here. Take 1 jelly stick every day, tear off the top and enjoy. Chew well before swallowing, and best when eaten chilled is the only thing it says. It mentions that there is 2.6 grams of collagen inside of each stick. But then they've also added in here green tea extracts, the natural orange flavoring is in there, some water, some different things like that as well. Okay, so these 10 sticks will not last a full month, but you'll be able to try this out for 10 days, see if you like it, and if you wanted to, you could always reorder it, is the idea. Now, this is something my mom and I were just talking about, that we feel like there's not enough discussion about collagen out there on the market, especially for women in our skin. And so I'm not joking, you guys. I was just chatting with my mom about it, and we went on this whole trip that we're like, if only we had been told ahead of time, we would have started our collagen way earlier. And I didn't know. I found out from the dermatologist that you start losing collagen as a woman in your 20s. So that's what we were saying, is I'm like, man, I would have started taking collagen in my 20s had I realized, you know, how important that is for your skin. Not to have only wrinkles, but just to keep, you know, plump and firmness and to prevent some sagging. And so it's just a thing we've been on. So I'm actually really excited to try these. This video is going to be so long today if I keep talking about how much I love these products. But our, what is this, 6th product? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is our 6th product inside of the box. We have a can of pineapple mango gold soda. So this features natural ingredients in it. It's 12 ounces, and it says it's 30 calories for this entire can. This is carbonated filtered water with organic cane sugar, natural flavors, and monk fruit extracts inside of this. So there's only 4 grams of sugar in the entire can. They state that this was captured on the seaside, And so they also donate back to conservation efforts with every can sold. It sounds yummy, pineapple mango. So because it's carbonated water, it's not actually a soda in my opinion, but I guess there is a little bit of sugar in there too, so maybe that's the idea, but it sounds yummy. We additionally have an instant clarity facial mask. This is one mask here. So product number 7 is also going to be from that same brand that I showed you earlier that features botanicals and natural ingredients inside. This one is a 95% natural and organic ingredients. Product number 8 will be a lip and cheek stain. This is from Mineral Fusion. So this one will be a full-size product. We have the shade Syrah, and this is one that you can just apply to either your lips or your cheeks, and it will give you a flush of color. Well, of course, we're gonna do a quick swatch of this, but this is what it looks like here. It looks really bold, but I have a funny feeling it's not gonna be this bold once we put it down. I don't think, but let's go ahead and see what that looks like. It's definitely gonna be like a tint, so I'm sure this will stain a little bit more, but it's very gentle, soft to apply. The color is bold. I feel like you might need a brush or something to blend that out. Let me go ahead and use my finger real quick here. I'm sure this is gonna, like I said, dye my skin a little bit, but let me just blend it. Yeah, that looks much better already. And now you don't see the streaks. So I do think you need to blend this no matter how you, like where you put it, you're gonna need to blend it out. So this gives you a really soft flush of color, but like I said, it is a tint, so it is definitely going to dye the skin. The 9th product inside of our box then is coming from Now Solutions, and it is a vitamin C skincare blend. So this is a full-size serum. It's 30 ml or 1 ounce. It features vitamin C in here, and the idea is to give you a bit of brightening or glowiness to your skin. So they do mention that this serum is safe for sensitive skin. It will brighten your complexion, minimize the signs of aging, and improve your skin's texture as well. The part that is exciting about this is, again, it features natural ingredients inside of their ingredient list. So there's vitamin C in here, but you're also seeing the aloe as well. There is also going to be seed extracts, hyaluronic acid, and then the list is also really short, which is another thing. So they don't add a lot of additional filler ingredients to this serum. But it is a full-size bottle that we have here. The 10th item, I'm not kidding you guys, we are up to 10 items right now. This is from True Earth, and their laundry detergent pads or strips is what they call it. There's strips. So these ones are going to be strips that you put into your laundry. The idea behind this is that they're going to dissolve completely in the wash, but they're more eco-friendly compared to the pods and some of the other detergents that are out there. Now, these are fragrance-free, which is another thing that is kind of nice about them. They work with the high energy, or not high energy, it's high efficient, I think is what they're called, those machines. So I love the fact that these are fragrance-free because not everybody can do scents with their clothes. So this is really nice that they didn't include the fragrance on here. I don't know if she chose it that way on purpose or if that's all this brand makes are fragrance-free ones, but I like it at least. I think we're gonna break the record, you guys. I think or maybe we're gonna tie it. What if we tie this today? Like I said, 13 is the record, we're at 10. So the next item that I have in here is going to be the Moroccan Beauty Oil. This one, again, designed for sensitive skin. So I love this because this box works for everybody. Even if you don't have sensitive skin, you can still use this skincare because it's still going to be a soft and gentle formula, but they're really great ingredients. They're not filled with a bunch of junk items in there either. So, and it's not going to discriminate to those that do have sensitive skin. So everybody can use it, which is great. Now this one's also full size. This will be a beauty oil and it is 100% natural ingredients inside of this one. So the other ones were like 95, 97. This is a full 100%. It is cruelty free as well, vegan and gluten free. I tell you what, if you want a brand that is clean beauty, this is definitely one I would look into. So this is what it will look like here. It does feature rose hips in them, so they do have a slight hint of rose to their skincare products. I always feel like it's nice. It's got a nice like feminine flora to it. Product number 12, you guys. I am shaking my head in disbelief, but it's the real deal here. This is organic castor oil. We have 3.38 ounces. It is 100% pure extra virgin castor oil. This is vegan, non-GMO, and organic. It mentions that it expires in 2027, so you would need to use it before then. So this is what our glass bottle will look like. It states that this is coming from seeds of the castor bean plant, and you can use this as a moisturizing and conditioning oil for skin, hair, and your nails. So you can apply this topically to any of those areas, and it will give you stronger and healthier skin as a result. But then, like it also mentions, you can use it on your hair. It will help to condition it and make it softer. Castor oil also gives you a little bit of a shine too. And if you can believe this, we've matched the record, you guys, because I have a 13th product in here. So product number 13 for $48, you guys. Can you believe it? I mean, $48 and you get 13 items in here. It's just, gosh, it's mind-blowing. Okay, this is from Manny Me. These are stick-on gel nails. Ooh, as I almost dropped them here. So this is what they will look like. They are 10-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and all designed in California. So these ones are going to be salon-quality manicured nails at home, but you do not need to go to the salon and spend a fortune. Holy bananas, you guys. That is all 13 items inside of these summer box from the Balance Company. I mean, part of me wants to go, Evie, what were you thinking putting this many items in a box? You're making all of the other boxes look bad. That's basically what I'm thinking right now. It's just, wow, this is crazy. So if you want to try it, you want to support a small business, and you want to save a little bit of money, I have got those links and that discount code all down below for you guys. So I'm going to go calm down, you guys. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!